What's your favorite dessert-inspired pastry? Think about that for a moment. In our wide world of culinary delights, dessert-inspired pastries bring joy, richness, and a touch of sweetness to our lives. As a foodie, it's a delightful journey to explore dessert-inspired pastries. Now let's delve into the sweet side of savory, the world of dessert-inspired pastries. These confectionery delights are not your average sweet treats. They fuse the best of both dessert and savory worlds, tantalizing your taste buds with an unprecedented flavor explosion. Take, for instance, the baklava, a rich sweet pastry hailing from the Middle East. It's a symphony of finely chopped nuts, sweetened and held together with honey or syrup, layered between thin sheets of phyllo dough. It's a delightful blend of crunch and sweet, nutty goodness. Then there's the British banoffee pie, a dessert pastry with a savory kick. Imagine a buttery biscuit base topped with toffee, fresh bananas, and a generous dollop of whipped cream. It's a mouth-watering fusion of sweet and salty that will have you coming back for more. From the land of France comes the savory sweet marvel, tarte tatin. This upside-down pastry is caramelized with sugar and butter before baking, resulting in a beautifully glazed top that contrasts perfectly with the tartness of the apples. These pastries, and many more, blur the line between dessert and savory, offering a unique culinary experience. They're not just pastries, they're a testament to the endless possibilities of food innovation. Dessert-inspired pastries truly offer a unique culinary experience, merging the best of both worlds. Ready to explore more dessert-inspired pastries? Let's dive into the sweet side of savory. Whether you're whipping up a batch in your kitchen or sampling a selection at your local bakery, there's a whole world of dessert-inspired pastries waiting to be discovered. The joy of culinary exploration lies in the unexpected. A crunch here, a burst of flavor there, a delightful twist that keeps your taste buds guessing. So, what are you waiting for? Remember, the world of dessert-inspired pastries is vast and waiting for you to explore. That's our sweet journey into the world of dessert-inspired pastries. We've unraveled the delights of these unique creations, blending dessert and pastry into one mouth-watering experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delicious content. Stay sweet and keep exploring.